Day 6 Bali. I'm being woken up to this. It's so loud. It woke me up. I don't even know what it is. Some little cricket thing or something. There you go. Really annoying. Bali, baby. I know I talk about it too much, but it is honestly an absolute burner today. It's outrageous. I don't know where I'm going. I'm going the wrong way. It's up here. 32 degrees. It's not even it's not even the hottest point of the day yet. Crazy. In the zoo like this, eh? Back at home. Wouldn't exist. It's nice just to be able to see. I mean, I've only just walked in, but it's nice to see them just be able to walk about without a cage behind them. I mean, I know they are caged, but not caged. He looks really unhappy. Oh God. Day in, day out, carrying people around in a fucking small pool. What a life. I mean, it's quite something up here. It's certainly a lot cooler up here with a breeze in comparison to the rest of the area, but it's just cool, isn't it? It's the first time I've had a bit of height to the country, so I can actually see something. Need to see if there's something. Let's get a helicopter maybe. It's not that expensive. I don't know. Everything else is cheap enough. Why can't a helicopter be as well? What I would give to be under that right now. I mean, he's going far. I'm just getting lost. There's no arrows going. Go this way. Go that way. I don't know where I'm going. I just keep trying to doing loops. I've walked down a road that I shouldn't walk down. I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, he's not happy, is he? I came earlier and he was running around like a lunatic. But they fed him now, so maybe he's just a bit more chilled. But I mean, he's not enjoying it. None of these animals are enjoying it, are they? Paying for their prison sentence. But I've liked Zoo since I was a child, and I've got to see how different it is to one at home, you know? I can't travel 10,000 miles and not have a look once in a while. But I probably won't come back here. And I'm certainly not going to pay to go on to ride any animals. The Mr. Cats and Miscus. You're a big boy. Just chilling out. Watch my wallabies feed, mate. Watch my wallabies feed. They're a dangerous breed, mate. Just watch my wallabies feed. What is that? I don't know if I've told you already, but it's really hot. I got him down there, right? is there anything I can see in there? Surely he's not climbing up here to get some bananas. Like, am I missing something? That was Bali Zoo. It was alright, it wasn't that big. I think the monkey forest was actually a little bit better, to be honest. But, you know, zoo's a zoo, isn't it? They're all practically the same. So now, I'm going to go back and go for a swim because it's hot.